One question I get asked all the time is, what's better, gas or induction? It's a difficult one because they both have their benefits. I'm going to describe a couple of the things that I like about each of them. Firstly, gas. You can use any type of pot, which is fantastic for me because I've got lots of different types of pots. Not all of them you can use on induction, like these old tin and copper ones for Japan. I would never ever want to give those up. Secondly, it's really intuitive. Most of our classic cuisines were built on cooking over flame, so there's nothing you need to relearn about your style of cooking to cook on a gas hob. Thirdly, it's perfect for wok cooking. Anything where you need to pick up the pot and move it around, sautéing, wok cooking, that kind of thing, is really only done on gas. Something like the volcano burner from Asko is indispensable in my kitchen. Now onto induction. Absolutely the best thing about induction is its efficiency. Let me show you. There's always the old adage about patience that says a watched pot never boils, but actually with induction cooking, it is so efficient that you can watch it boil already. This always gets me because it is truly incredible how fast this is. Secondly, on induction, it's great for odd-shaped pots. I've got these grill pans and you can use a bridge mode to actually use the entire surface of that so that you can get even heat from start to finish, no hot spots. And lastly, precision. With induction, you have ultimate control over the way you cook. Anything from fast boiling to slow simmering, all you gotta do is set it and forget it. So if you ask me what's better out of induction or gas, the answer is, I don't really know. I love them both. And the great thing about a range like Asko's is you don't have to choose.